Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that sparks a lot of curiosity, the financial strategies that seem to give the wealthy an edge. It's not about magic or unfair advantages, but rather about understanding certain money levers that, once pulled, can significantly impact your financial trajectory. We're going to explore these concepts in a way that's accessible, practical, and, most importantly, empowering for you. Think about it. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth consistently, even when the economic winds are unpredictable? It often comes down to a deeper understanding of how money works, beyond just earning and saving. It's about making your money work for you in ways that compound over time. One of the most fundamental levers the wealthy understand is the power of asset appreciation. This isn't just about buying stocks and hoping for the best. It's about strategically investing in assets that have a proven track record of increasing in value. This could be real estate, well-chosen businesses, or even certain types of intellectual property. The key here is not just ownership, but understanding the underlying value drivers and the long-term potential. It's about foresight, not just hindsight. Another crucial lever is tax efficiency. Now, this isn't about evading taxes, which is illegal and unethical. It's about legally and strategically utilizing the tax code to your advantage. This can involve understanding different investment vehicles that offer tax benefits, like retirement accounts or certain types of trusts. It's about making informed decisions that minimize your tax burden, allowing more of your hard-earned money to stay with you and grow. Many people overlook this, and it can make a substantial difference over decades. Then there's the concept of leveraging other people's money, or OPM. This sounds a bit intimidating, but it's a cornerstone of many large-scale investments. Think about real estate developers who use loans to build properties that will generate rental income and appreciate in value. The key here is responsible borrowing. It's about using debt strategically to acquire assets that are expected to generate returns greater than the cost of the debt. This requires careful planning, risk assessment, and a solid understanding of the investment. It's not about taking on reckless debt, but about using it as a tool for growth. We also need to talk about diversification. This is a well-known concept, but the wealthy often implement it with a higher degree of sophistication. It's not just about having a few different stocks. It's about diversifying across different asset classes, geographies, and industries. This reduces overall risk and can help smooth out the inevitable ups and downs of the market. When one area is underperforming, others can compensate, providing a more stable path to wealth accumulation. Consider the power of passive income streams. This is income that requires minimal ongoing effort to maintain once it's established. Examples include rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, royalties from creative works, or even income from well-managed businesses that operate independently. Building these streams takes initial effort and investment, but the long-term reward is financial freedom and the ability to generate income without trading your time directly for it. This is a significant shift in how one views work and income. Another lever, often overlooked by individuals, is strategic networking and mentorship. The wealthy often surround themselves with other successful individuals, advisors, and mentors. This provides access to valuable information, opportunities, and insights that might not be readily available otherwise. It's about learning from those who have already navigated the path and understanding the nuances of the financial world from experienced perspectives. This isn't about knowing people in a superficial way, but about building genuine relationships and learning from collective wisdom. Let's also touch upon risk management. This isn't about avoiding risk altogether, as that would mean missing out on potential rewards. It's about understanding the risks involved in any investment or financial decision and taking steps to mitigate them. This can involve insurance, hedging strategies, or simply ensuring that you only invest what you can afford to lose. It's about making calculated decisions, not gambling. The concept of compounding is absolutely fundamental. While many understand it in theory, the wealthy truly harness its power by consistently reinvesting earnings. This means that your returns start generating their own returns, creating an exponential growth effect over time. The earlier you start and the more consistently you reinvest, the more dramatic the impact of compounding becomes. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is the mindset. The wealthy often possess a long-term perspective. They are not driven by short-term gains or market fluctuations. They understand that building significant wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. This patience allows them to weather market downturns, stay committed to their strategies, and make decisions based on fundamental value rather than emotional reactions. It's about discipline, perseverance, and a belief in the process. These money levers aren't exclusive secrets. They are principles and strategies that are accessible to anyone willing to learn, plan, and take consistent action. It's about shifting your perspective from simply earning money to strategically growing and preserving it. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore these powerful financial concepts. I hope this has provided you with valuable insights and a renewed sense of possibility for your own financial journey. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more discussions on building a secure and prosperous future.